he get one person when I won't call now. I put the story some time back, like last year, late last year or so. Now one of our farm when we say on a Sunday morning when I was going to church. Now she got send message to me and information minister so say she lost the husband. When we come drive go. Yeah, I put that story now. When we reach there, we meet the body of the man for house and all of that, prepare them, go mortuary and all of that. Now, this woman now don't struggle by herself.
Hello.
Hello, Madam
Yeah,
Alpha.
good morning.
Yeah.
Fine, sir.
I bet just stay on the line. Oh.
Okay, sir.
Now, this woman don't struggle by herself now since the husband died. And they get, Madam, how many children you get?
I have 4 children with my husband.
Hold on, 4 children and the man died that last year like I talk. Now, she don't struggle by herself, They sell fufu, they pick condemn iron and all of that. Meanwhile, some women go the same message. Sarah, I wonder yo, I never chop. Now, say, we call this woman. What just by that suddenly without planning, But now the woman is hustling. She dey fit pay her children's school fees. She dey fit pay as well. She dey fit chop. Madam, how are you?
Fine, sir.
This your story. I want to make it be because you are a market woman and of course you dey sell akpu and condemn iron. You dey pick dey sell. This your story. I want make it be lesson to some of the lazy women when they out there and to other women when you be say it go inspire them. Why I say lazy? Because I dey receive messages every day. So I dey wonder say why can't these people think? Some of them why some of them they're not lazy but they need way to go inspire them. Madam, I dey listen to you. Go ahead, madam.
Yeah. Though my husband, when he was alive.
We should come to
from
speak English now, show.
Okay.
Not be you again. Not be you. Why stay for Jegule? I'm tired for you.
All the
Sure.
case and babe.
Oh yeah, let's go now. You can't
I
speak
hate
English.
my oga.
Fire.
So the thing what happened is when I marry actually, no better I expect I see. But when I look here from they come, I don't want make it happen like that.
Yeah.
I know for the same thing. So I tell myself say anyhow I be, I go stay on ground. Now wait till I sing, now I go take. So I say, God, if this man not be my husband, but I don't enter, what I go do? Help me turn out to my husband. So I remain there.
Yeah.
Sometimes he go day house, 3 years, no work.
Yeah.
I don't mind. I'll go fetch water for people. Drum 200.
Are you serious? You go fetch water. People go they pay you 200 per drum.
Yes.
Una the year so those women. Una the year even men self. Go ahead, madam.
Sometimes if I fetch water finish, I go enter market, meet people where they pound fufu that time. They go load them for back for me.
I want me to tell us after your husband die, how you cut take cope and take the cope till now?
Before he die, I don't they pick on them.
They pick on them. Yeah.
Yes, because he don't lost his job before he die.
Yes.
So now that condemn, if I gather them for like 2-3 months, I'll go scale up.
What do you mean by condemn?
All this, if I see name for road, bungalow, mud can, all those things,
Sure.
I dey gather them. Any broken buckets, I'll gather there. So I'll carry and go where I book it and they go scale them. I'll collect the money. I'll say Bible for my children.
If you scale them, how much the money they be when they scale them for you?
I start to sell per kg 100 naira.
Sure.
Now it's 200 per kilo.
Yeah.
So the one I sold last, after my husband died this year,
Yeah.
8,500.
Wow.
So I use the money buy book for my children
You see?
as school resume. Even now, the one I sell again,
Yes.
I don't buy books for their next term. As school they resume, all of them get their book.
So wait. So now you don't prepare against next time,
Yes.
You don't buy
all
book
of
for ground,
them.
because you dey pick
Yes.
condemn. Una dey yes, so
Yes.
all these women una dey here because I'm going to say that I don't know. I say, madam, can't you wash clothes? They go just first bust laugh. I say you dey laugh, Abi. Madam, go ahead, I beg.
So for my fufu business, not only me they do am. So as I know employed person now, every weekend I dey pay myself 5,000.
God.
Every weekend.
You dey pay yourself
In case
5K.
of- Yes, in case of any emergency need. So with this, I know they even do like say my husband just died. Some people still get needs. I'll feel reach out to them around. So anyone will say I need this. If you get my power, I will do. The little I feel do, I do as God help me at the hustle.
So where you dey now as we dey talk this talk so?
I dey put fufu for fire like this.
As we dey talk so.
As they talk, my fire they on.
You see what I like for you that day when we see That day when we first come your house when your husband die, the thing touched me. Then we can't see again on Saturday. Now I said today I go call you, make you be inspiration to other women when they feel say until they see 10,000, 50,000 naira work.
So they no go do.
Show because in fact I am so impressed by your story because now school day or holiday, but you don't buy book when next time already out of hustle. So when they go, they say the one that they go, they cry. Say, which guy you don't go fit think of this? They don't want to do small things. Now look at you, woman. Oh, you say you the work they pick pangolo for road.
Pangolo.
You don't want to know because of some women they go they shame. Now shame go keep people.
Now shame. Oh, if you shame go catch you after.
I bet thank you, madam. Because we not get time. Thank you. God go bless you. That fufu. How you they say your fufu self?
I dey count 13,500 for small one. Those big ones 1,1,000.
Okay. For which side you for they sell this one so?
Now Lucy.
Okay. Anyways, thank you so much.
I go carry and they carry you. They shout hot one for afternoon. So when I say in the evening, the woman go say to me 700. So that money when she they pay me that time, I dey collect today. Then the next day I go save 500. Now so I dey collect and off and on they save.
Wow.
So God so kind. After some time, I think they run restaurants. I think they go wash clothes for some people. Any day I no go kill fufu, I'll go wash clothes. So now so they live life. And that period, them also I no get work for the 3 years. I no tell you lie. I no rubbish myself. I no do anybody business.
Yeah.
When it's serious, I dey go knock hotel gate 5 a.m. All the bottle water, their wine bottle, I go pick them, wash them. Go sell them. People they sell roro, I go sell rubber for.
You go
people
sell
they
for
sell
them.
granite,
Go sell
I go
for
sell
them.
bottle for them.
Okay.
So now so they live. And my children no stop to one day for that 3 years.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.